Hey guys, I'm just like changing the air filter and changing the oil, and I was wondering, I couldn't find the proper key to remove the filter, so I just bought this on internet, on Amazon. You can grab it. This is Dyna, but you know it's Street Bob, so you just screw it in and grab the filter and unscrew it. So you don't have to need the key anymore to put it here, and it grabs it really well. I think it's a generic one. I don't know what company is, but put it on, unscrew it, put it over the filter. Okay, I need a little bit more space. I need a little bit more space. And then when you grab it, you just unscrew it and be sure you have enough space, and then screw it in. Oh shit. You see, it's hard to do something with GoPro in your hand. Okay, so you go this and screw it in so it grabs the filter. And make sure you have the room to push it down. Oh shit, it's going up. Yeah, you see. Oh, this is such a bad video. But so now it's tightened, and just tighten it up, and you see it's turning. Untighten it, tighten it up. It's working. Unscrew it, screw it in, screw it in, and tighten it again. So I hope I can do it by hand now. Okay, so here how it looks from this side. Tighten it, pull it up, tighten it again. I mean, untighten it, and then tighten it. Jesus. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, the filter is out. You just need to unscrew it like few turn, like not even like quarter a turn, and then you can do it by hand. So I forgot to put I didn't know there's gonna be so much oil inside, so I forgot to put the panel below to catch the oil, but I put this rack, but it's not enough. Damn. So the first part is done. So all you need is get the new filter and screw it in by hand.